GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to achieve a curly hairstyle using this wool. Lately I find that I'm breaking out when I don't wash the hair that I put in. So what I do is I had vinegar, let it sit for a while, and then it's best to let the hair dry. You can do it overnight. I did most of these overnight. Alright, so the hair is dried and now I am going to unravel. You want to do this carefully. I mean, it's not a nappy hair, not like the regular synthetic hair that we put in, but it unravels very easily. Next, we are affixing them to the braiding rack just to stay organized, and it's easier to just grab them from here. At first, I started kind of trimming the ends, but then I remembered I'm gonna cut them, so I scrapped that. Alright, so just a little background information before I get into the doing of the hair. When I want to achieve this hairstyle, this is my go-to hair for this hairstyle, the Lulu Tress Water Wave 12-inch. But what I find with this hair is that it gets nappy real quickly. However, you'll get a lot more volume than this wool that we're about to use. All right, so let's get started. I already braided my hair going backwards off camera, and then I'm going to be using my crochet needle to add each strand of curly hair. And you guys already know how to do this, so I will do a time lapse on this just so that you guys can watch to the end. If you're still watching, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you're liking what you're seeing so far. We appreciate your time every time. So when I do crochet, I like to go just all around my head, just all over, so I don't like to have it looking too bulky. It's nice to have volume with this type of hair. I find that the wool doesn't give as much volume as the Lulu Tress hair when I wear it, but I like to go all over the head just so that it's not as full, and if I do run out of hair, then I can still go about without looking crazy. I'm going to be filling in, so I'm going to try to feel for all the spaces or the sections of the head that needs to be crocheted in, and then we're just going to be doing that until we're all done. it's time to cut. Snip, snip, snip. Okay, so I'm not good at this. I have to admit, I am not good at cutting. So yeah, but what I recommend, typically they say you hold the scissor at an angle. So, because you don't want to have very blunt ends. I'm trying to layer here, so I'm going down. Additionally, do not keep cutting. Like with curly hair, you will keep cutting and cutting and cutting until, yeah, you know what happens. So don't sit there and keep cutting. I'm not a pro at cutting, but I did cut it to a length that I like. We're all done. So let's take a moment for some shenanigans, some foolishness. There we go. It's very lightweight. It's breathable. It didn't give me the volume that I was looking for, but I love it. It's lightweight. I feel like I have nothing on my head. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair. And I did manage to capture like short footage of like when I wear it on different days. So this was not working out. This was too windy. It was very windy outside. That was the day of, it was very windy. That didn't work out. And then what I realized too, if the curls don't pop the way you want, you can still put them back on the wand and curl it. And this is what the curls would look like. And I only did the front part, the front portion. I did not wrap like single strands. So if you want a single strand type look, then you would have to go for the single strand. And then here's the final day that I captured before I was able to put this video together. So if you did make it this far into the video, thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.